Imagine you could do 100 consecutive push-ups or even win 100 push-up challenge. In this video, I'll share a program that can help you go from just one push-up to 100 consecutive reps in less than 2 months. Let's just dive right into it. Hello, it's FitnessPhreek here, and I am dedicated to inspiring you to build the motivation you need to start working out one online video at a time. If you are new here and you are struggling to maintain a disciplined and consistent fitness lifestyle, then this channel is definitely for you, so you should consider subscribing. Just so we are clear, we are on the same page. Push up and press up mean the same thing. The only difference is that with press up, your arms are slightly wider than your shoulders, and it's the form of exercise whereby you are in a position where your feet supports your lower body and your arms support your upper body in a horizontal position, and then you lower and raise your body using your arms. It helps to build your muscular endurance in your upper body, and it also strengthens your core muscles. Proper form for a push-up is to have your hands directly under your shoulders, shoulder width apart or just slightly wider than your shoulders, and your feet resting on the tip of your toes. Now imagine a straight line from your head down to your ankles. You don't want your butt sticking up to the ceiling or your belly in a slanted position. You want to be as straight as you can, and you lower your body and raise your body by bending your arms at the elbow, as promised at the beginning of this video, to get you pushing from just 1 rep of push-up up to 100 reps. There is a program called 100 Push-Ups program. I was first introduced to the 100 Push-Up program by Mariam. Hi Mariam, if you're watching this, thanks for sharing this with me, because I was at a point where I realized that my upper body strength wasn't doing so well. I couldn't lift myself up. I couldn't manage 5 push-ups actually. And she told me about this program and how she went from not being able to do 2 push-ups to how she was able to do over 60 consecutive push-ups, and I was like, sign me up baby, I want to try it. So I tried this program sometime last year, and I was able to do 50 consecutive push-ups. If I had gone longer, I could have gotten to 100. So right now, the 100 push-up program is the ultimate program that you need to follow if you want to push from just one to 100 consecutive push-ups. So I'm challenging you as well as myself to take the initial test on the 100 push-up program and then start the training from the first week up to week 6. Of course, that's if you're looking to build your upper body strength and endurance. So this program would get you to your goal of doing 100 reps anywhere between 6 weeks and 2 months, helping you to sculpt your chest, your arms, your abs, and of course your entire torso without even needing a single piece of equipment. For the link to the 100 push-up program, check the description below, because I'll link it up down there. So if you've been looking for how to be able to do as many push-ups as you can and you got value from this video, then please go ahead and hit the like button and let me know in the comment section how many push-ups you are able to manage at the initial stage before you even start the program. Try it right now as you are watching this. I will see you in the next video where I'll be talking about whether gym workouts are better than home workouts. Who knows? So see you then. Bye.